What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie back at it again with another video. Today I want to give a special shout out to everyone you guys watching the channel right now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. All my OG subscribers, make sure you guys click that thumbs up. All my new people that's watching this channel for the first time or for the second time or a couple of times, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, either on this side or that side, I don't know. Just click that red subscribe with your phone or with your computer. Yes, so anyways, I do have some good news and some bad news. So right now we're going to be working on my Integra. As I was driving, last time I drove this car was to Mike's car meet, and I accidentally fucked up my splitter and my front bumper. It was a pothole. The California roads out here in the Bay Area is fucking horrible on the highway. It was a pothole, didn't see it at nighttime. My shit went smack, but nothing happened until after I left San Francisco, dropped my friend off. And then on my way going back home, in the middle of the road, something went thunk, and I looked and pulled over on the highway, which was dangerous, but my thing was all fucked up. And I'm gonna show you guys. You guys can see one of the splitter rods broken off when I smacked. Then there was one here was holding on still, but as you guys can see, what it connects to kind of ripped off of here. So now it's like that. So what I'm about to do is do something a little different, which is a little going to be funny, but I gotta do what I gotta do for the time being. So eventually I'm gonna have to get some new splitter rods, but I did come out with a solution what I'm going to do. So I do have these screws. I just been having these sitting in the house for so long. So I have two of these. So what I'm going to do with this, basically I'm going to drill, and as you guys can see, the car got so bad damage that it actually broke the bumper. But for the time being, until I get a new bumper, eventually, everything is just broke. As you guys can see, the pothole really damaged the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this splitter rod in the center so I can have more of a, because right now, as you guys see, it's like kind of leaning, like tilting on each side. It's tilting from the frame. So I'm gonna end up moving this splitter rod in the middle, just have one, have it mounted here and connect up here so I can have more of a grab, which will leave it like more up. And then on the sides, I'm going to drill from under here. As you guys can see, it's kind of wobbly. So what I'm gonna do is put two bolts on each side, and that way I can mount it all the way up so I'm hanging, and then I'll be able to drive this car. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. Hopefully I can find my drill. If I can find my drill, we can actually get this done and taken care of. And then we're back on the road. So this is gonna be a little project I'm going to do with this car, and it's time to get this car really fixed up. There's so much things I want to do. I'm actually thinking about doing it right now. I'm actually thinking about taking this vinyl off. Let's see how it looks. So, and I'm actually thinking about going back to the OEM look. So we got some things to do, but I'm thinking about going back to the OEM look, and the OEM look is definitely gonna be cool. Kind of want to just go back to the basic look. So let's see how this goes, y'all. Now that I'm thinking about it, I just took some vinyl off my car. I think it's time for me to go back OEM look. I kind of want to bring the car back to that color. So we do have a few things I'm gonna do. So first thing first, I'm gonna try to fix the splitter, get that taken care of, and then once I get that taken care of, then we can go from there. And let's just take the vinyl off the car and do a whole complete look. And then I need to get this whole car painted. How you doing, bro? Get the car painted, but I think I want to go back to the OEM look. Kind of tired of the orange. And then yeah, I think that's what I want to do. I want to just get it repainted. And yeah, so I know if I take this off, because there's a few parts on the body of the car where the clear coat is like, we're gonna bring that back to life. So yeah, so let me get started. Let me try to figure this out, and then we're gonna go from there. Since it's me just by myself, basically I just took the splitter rod off of here. I'm going to center it right here for the time being until I get some new ones, and then I can just replace that and go up. But I'm gonna need a new bumper eventually, but for the time being, we're gonna do what we gotta do. Fix it, make it look more neater, nicer, because this is damaged. So I'm gonna put this right here. It's gonna be in the middle where it can hold that and go from there. So let me get all this taken care of by myself and go from there. All right, so we finally did everything right. So I redid the whole splitter because the splitter got damaged badly with the bumper, but I did some modifications that's a little different that you don't normally see, and at the same time still taking off vinyl off of the taggy. About to give it a whole new look, but now I actually got everything on the splitter super secure. So let's go see. But anyways, as you guys see, I basically did something actually fucking dope. I ain't gonna I mean, I'm not going to lie. I think it looks actually fucking dope the way I did it. So I basically modified some screws, basically like some rods type shit, but basically I get some screws and I made it super tight. So therefore, it's not wobbling. It's actually lifted better than it was at first. All right, y'all. So today was a successful day. I finally knocked out the splitter, refixed the splitter, made sure everything was mounted much more better. Had to do some modifying with the splitter, making sure just everything was just sturdy. So next time we won't have no issues. I tried to take some vinyl off of my car. I did take a little bit off in the front and a little bit on the side of the car, but it's just getting dark. It's super late outside. I didn't finish too super late. It's like 8:41 right now, so you guys can't really tell, but it's 8:41 right now. And yeah, so we just knocked that out. So I'm happy that I can really drive that car, put the Z to rest for a minute, let, you know, just cool down, drive when I need to drive, but drive my Taggy. And we're gonna also get the Taggy back to OEM paint tomorrow's video. So you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We are actually about to have fun. It's gonna be dope. You know, like there was some clear coat peeling from the car naturally from when I first got it. If you guys go to the first video of me buying my Integra. But yeah, we want to get back to that. And I'm also might just buy some touch-up paint where I got the OEM touch-up paint. I could just basically fix the parts where the clear coat is messing up and just retouch it up. Just to have it back to the OEM. I like that OEM paint job that you don't see that often for Integras. You always see black, white, red, yellow, white. So yeah, so I'm back to that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's nothing too major on this video. That was something I've been prolonging for the longest. In that car, I haven't driven it for like almost 2 weeks. So now that's back and fixed. Now I can drive that car. Thank God I have a full tank of gas in that car. So yeah, should be good, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're going to be revealing the back to looking normal for the Taggy. And stay tuned. We got so much trick up the sleeves. Stuff is going to be happening. So we out.